Bigyan kita ng ano. Yeah. Ang lakas ng static ah. Ay, ang ganda oh. Mas maganda, tingnan mo oh. Kita yung mountain. Tingnan mo, may snow mountain.
Mamaya ko na ako ng lemon kasi
Ayan, okay. Sakto sa'yo.
Ito, sakto to.
Ako yung malinis naman.
Nakapal din siya oh. It's snowing! It's snowing, snowing, snowing!
It's snowing! Oh, it's snowing!
Or just it's just the three of us.
Look at
and
this. Look at the
Look
cars.
at the cars. Right here. Yung room. There. Magana. Magana. Drive. Dito ay probinsya. So, key. O nga, no? Paano yun? Adi, try it. Kala niya, hack niya. Ha. Ha, ha. So, oh, wow. Oh, wow. So tiny, tiny. Tiny bubbles. Na, 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 na. So tiny. Umulan na. Aray ko. Lakas ng ano dito. Static. Oh, tingnan mo. May snow na. Ayan yung view, oh. Talaga. Sige. Ganun din.
At
Pares
least
lang.
wala yung kama.
Ah, yung view nila, puro building. Bakit ba yan nangyari?
Masakit ang ulo niya.
O, may by Jessica ko dyan, be. Bigyan kita.
morning.
Ha? Since morning? Baka sa period yan. Bigyan kita ng ano. Yeah. Ang lakas ng static ah. Ay, ang ganda oh. Mas maganda, tingnan mo oh. Kita yung mountain. Tingnan mo, may snow mountain. Ayun oh. Yung, ang tawag doon, snow cone. Nice. The same, just very much the same. Just the floor, the same room. Ay, ito CR. Kuha na kita. Ay ko, nakailan na. Ang liit ng CR. Ito yung maliit talaga. Sobrang liit. Pero, at least, malinis. Oh, wala naman ako nakitang strand ng hair. And, may mirror. The usual essentials. Meron. Meron lahat. Kailangan. Diba?
Papagulong na lang ako. Hello, mama.
Hello. That's the mountain.
Alam na rin.
So sad. Keep left. Do not throw trash over the bridge.
Hindi naman siya yung hanging bridge na naiisip ko. Nalubid lang talaga.
Ano ka? Daming dumadaan, lubid.
Naiisip ko yung lubid lang eh, tapos kahoy.
Picture spot yan.
Ano, Dad?
Ayan na, gumagalaw na. Picture. Ralph. Yan.
Akin na yung mga lips na doon sa kanya. Mamaya ako na ako ng lemon pa kasi. Hati na lang yung Please, I'm gonna take it. Right? Parang rabbit.
Bang tulak ito. Oops. Okay na ba?
Dito na nga siya.
Okay.
Dito na kayo ba?
Sakyan. Sakyan. Ito ka sa likod ng mga kids.
Yeah, I did that. And I got Tainari. Oh, I skipped my screen and I see Tainari. And I'm like, oh, well, I guess I'm guaranteed to come. Yeah, we're just happier. It's Tainari.
Lahat na lang hida beef dito ah. Ito pa oh. Sa morning, ganito itsura niya. Where's the morning market? Maybe there's none because it's Christmas. Oh. Asan? Doon tayo bababa. Pwede tayo maligo. So, tara. Kaya na yan, blanket. See you there inside. Okay, washing machine tayo. So, ayan na yun. May 3 wash sets. So,
Ayan, okay. Sakto sa'yo.
Ito, sakto to.
Mm.
Na siya. Bilis. Lagyan natin sa kabila isa.
Mhm. Nice.
So we are where?
We are
In the ramen house.
Show. Beef
ramen.
Beef ramen house. But there's also pork.
There's also pork and there's also this. And that one. Beef lunchbox.
So last night in Takayama. We're heading back tomorrow to...
No,
We're heading to
We're
Kanazawa.
heading back pala. Oo nga pala. Not yet na back in. We're heading to Kanazawa. I thought we're going back.
No.
MJ
And
wants...
this is now the first day of the second half of the trip. Because we are already...
Near the end.
It's already
And it's
day-
Christmas Day.
It's Christmas Day and it's already day 7.
Why are you wearing green if it's Christmas Day?
It's Christmas.
It's Christmas.
Because
Green.
he's the Grinch.
Because green and red are Christmas colors.
Yeah.
Okay,
Green.
Why do you think the Christmas tree is green?
Yeah. That's
Oh.
why. It's Christmas motif.
Should be red.
Why?
That's why I'm wearing red.
That's not even that red.
MJ bought that Snoopy.
Snoopy ramen.
Favorite. Ano na rin ba?
How did you recognize that that's your ramen?
It's obvious. The picture. This one.
This is Hida beef rice.
Ramen na siya.
With miso soup. Okay.
Ako yung malinis naman.
Nakapal din siya. Oh. Tingin kong wala pa kayong order.
Sa akin na siya, wala na beef. Wala. Wala siya. Sa akin na siya. Kasi malapit siya sa laba. Sa seafood.
You should order this. So good.
Ano yung special? Oh, ito yung dalawang egg. Ano ba yung
That
special?
ito yung kay MJ. Lasing na yun si Ang kulit.
Ah, yung special. Kasi dad yung lasing.
Sige.
What's that? Ito yung kay MJ. Kain na sila. At tadaikimasu.
You know, I made him edit that
Tagiyaman, buda sa treats.
It's snowing! It's snowing, snowing, snowing.
It's snowing! Oh, it's snowing!
Or it's just the three of us.
Look at
and
this. Look at the
Look
cars.
at the cars. Ah. Covered with snow. We're happy with the snow because we don't get to see the snow anytime we want.
Back home.
Well, we don't see it in the Philippines. That's why we're happy here to see snow. So, we'll let you see more snow later. Okay? From here, ito na yung Miyagawa Morning Market. Hida. Seven a.m. pala. Tama si Ralph.
But during
During ano?
winter, 8 o'clock.
Ilang oras na lang.
用哪个方位就全部都
Okay,
照
hindi,
到
I
了。
mean, ito.
8:40.
Yata. I think so. Ay, hindi. It's snowing. Daddy.
Good morning, Miyagawa. Good morning!
Oh, ang bilis natin, di ba? Kapan ang bagal natin. Sila MJ kasi ang bagal.
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Sarili ko audio.
Ganyan pa lang, ganyan ka. Hindi mo si Ralph. Hindi mo si
Okay.
Ralph talikod.
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Iwa pa siya.
同じして友達は。知らん。友達やろ。俺も。見てて。